Okay, dear students, good day to everyone. Let's start taxation orientation for September 2024. In this orientation, I'll be discussing my highest marks, what are the highest my career marks in taxation. I'll be discussing that paper pattern and plus exactly what actually ASA offers you in taxation and what makes tax an easy paper, provided that if you have seen all the lectures, which obviously we are going to provide you. So number one, the tax 2024 orientation. September 2024 attempt, you will be studying Finance Act 2023. Actually, this Finance Act is valid for September 2024 attempt, December 24 and March 25 attempt. So still there are 3 attempts left for this Finance Act 2023. The good thing is in Finance Act 2023 as compared to Finance Act 2022, they have deleted a very important topic which is no more examinable, that is basis period. So obviously previously basis period was examinable, but in Finance Act 2023 basis period is no more examinable. Your tutor is Abeel Ahmed. My career highest marks 99 and the second highest marks are 92 in taxation paper. Now let's discuss a paper pattern quickly. Section A, there will be 15 objective test question, that is simply multiple choice question, where each question is just 2 marks. So altogether section A gives you 30 marks. In order to prepare yourself for section A, you have to do the entire taxation syllabus, because section A question can come from any area of the syllabus. So it means you cannot leave even a single chapter. So you have to do each and everything. Section B, there will be 3, I would say, objective case study question. What happens in section B, there will be 3 case study objective questions where there will be a small case study. On one case study, examiner is going to set 5 small questions, multiple choice questions. So basically, in section B, there will be one small case study. On that case study, there are going to be 5 multiple choice questions. Each one is having 2 marks. So altogether, section B also gives you 30 marks. And the section B also can come from any area of taxation. Again, you are, I would say, instructed to do the entire syllabus. You cannot leave anything for section B. You have to do each and everything. Section C, that deals in long questions. In section C, we have 3 long questions. One is 10 marks question. Again, with the 10 marks question which comes in section C, it can come from any area of the syllabus. Any area means any area. But there will, in section C, there will be 2 15 marks question each. So basically, remaining 2 15 marks question, one question will be on income tax, means income tax that is on individuals, and one question will focus on corporation tax. So this is just a breakup of your 100 marks. It means simply for section A, B, and section C 10 marks question, there's a 70 marks paper which can come from any area of the syllabus. It means you are not supposed to leave even a single chapter. You have to do each and everything. Only the last 2 long question, 15 marks each, that is quite clear. One is on income tax, another is corporation tax, is going to be on corporation tax. Now, time allowed, there 3 hours and 10 minutes. Basically 10 minutes they will be given to you so that you can get yourself familiar with the environment and equipment and everything. Now, what exactly ASA offers, Abeel School of Accountancy offers you in taxation? Number one, you are going to get focus notes, that is entire text, means entire text, each and everything just within 62 pages. That's it. Second product, entire text just within 73 lectures, where each lecture is just on average 45 minutes long. That's it. The good thing is the entire tax gets completed just within 58 to 59 lectures. And after that, all are practice videos. Practice means practice. Okay. So just I would say 73 lectures, and the entire tax means entire tax, each and everything covers just within 73 lectures. What else you will be getting? You are going to get a weekly live revision class. Weekly live revision class. The objective of this weekly live revision class is you will be getting a chance to interact with your tutor. Plus, obviously, in weekly live revision class, we are going to discuss more and more questions. So automatically your question base will increase. Your question bank will obviously every week it is going to be increased. In taxation paper, I strictly follow Kaplan latest kit. So all my lectures, all pre-recorded 73 lectures in which we have covered basically Kaplan latest Finance Act 2023 kit. So in addition to the weekly live revision class towards exam, near to the exam, I would say around 15 days before, you'll be getting a mock. And this mock will be conducted in a CB on a CB platform so that you can get a same simulation which you are going to face in exam. So that you should get a same environment which you're going to face in exam. So now I just want to say one thing. If you have seen all the lectures, 73 lectures, plus you have taken weekly live revision classes, mock, you have done the assignments as well. So automatically, not only you can pass this paper in the first attempt, I would say you can get really good marks in this paper as well. Because normally taxation paper is, I would say, one of the easiest paper among these skill papers. Because the major part of the paper is going to be numerics. Obviously, there is a theory in the paper as well. But if you ask me, so examiner is more towards, I would say, calculation rather than the theory. So if you have seen all the lectures, you have gone through the all entire 62 pages notes. You have taken the weekly live revision classes, mock, and obviously you have completed the Kaplan Kit, latest Kaplan Kit, Finance Act 2023. So obviously you will be having no issue at all to pass this paper. You can easily pass this paper in first attempt. And another important thing, let me tell you what is that. Basically, the way I have designed the course, I just want to tell you one thing. I always teach from zero because I always assume students, they don't carry any previous knowledge. So it means whatever I'm going to teach, I'll teach from zero, and we are going to cover with each and every topic will be covered with the Kaplan Kit as well. So is there any question, students, you can of course ask? There's one student, my connection isn't stable. I must have missed something, will be completing. Okay, sir, videos, practice. Yes, that's more than enough. Waqas Khan, if you can just see videos and weekly live revision classes, they're more than enough. Don't worry at all. They're more than enough. Student, I'll ask my admin with this orientation. They are going to attach the demo lectures as well, so that you should get a really good idea exactly the way I teach each and everything. So main thing is, let me tell you, I'm fond of having short lectures because I strongly believe when the lectures, they become long, student, they lose interest, they lose their concentration, they will not be so motivated to watch the long lectures. That is why 45 to 40 minutes, that's an ideal time, seriously. With the practice, if someone is doing daily 3 lectures, so that is more than enough, then you can complete the, if someone can manage 3 lectures per day, so it takes just, I would say, within 25 days, you can complete the entire course. If you can complete and watch 3 lectures per day, then it's just a job of 25 days to complete the taxation paper. Anything else, students, before I just end this taxation orientation? I just wanted to tell you exactly what ASA offers you in taxation. The main thing is the lectures are not very long. Within in a very limited period of time, we have completed each and everything. So is there any other question? And let me just give my admin number. Those students, they are outside Pakistan. So ASA. How to enroll? I'm just giving the number. ASA admin number. Those students, they are outside Pakistan. It is 0092 333 666 214. And those students, they are within Pakistan. It is 0333 666 214. And in addition to the focus notes, 73 pre-recorded lectures, live revision classes, mock, you will also be getting the WhatsApp support. In WhatsApp support, I'm going to respond all your queries. I don't keep any. There will be no teacher assistant. All the queries will be resolved by me because I strongly believe that I'm in a better position to answer your queries because I'm the one who has recorded all the lectures for you. So I should be answering rather than someone else on my behalf. Sir, is there one to one? Obviously, when I'm going to conduct the live revision classes. So in live revision classes, you will get the opportunity to interact with your tutor. So the purpose of the live revision classes is to give you the opportunity to have the interaction with your tutor. And one more thing, when you join our taxation paper, any other paper, admin is going to give you the planner. So you should be following that planner. The benefit of the planner is you will be having a target in front of you that on that X for how many lectures you should watch on per day, on by which date you should complete the course. So that planner is going to really help you. So thank you very much. So students, that is all from my side for taxation September 2024 orientation. I'll ask my admin to attach the demo lectures with this so that you can get a really good idea the way I teach, and I'm going to cover each and everything. So thank you very much. Have a nice life.